Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Wow, we've got a 2026 Jayco Seismic, model number 359. So let's get started. The length on this Seismic is 41 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 13,220 pounds with a hitch weight of 2,901. with a GVWR of 16,995.
Yeah, so as far as toy haulers go, this actually is not one of the biggest ones you're going to find, but I think you're really going to like it. Did you give them the garage length on this one?
No, I did not. The garage length is 11 feet.
11 feet. So yes, if you've got maybe not giant side-by-sides, but this is going to be a great one to look at.
Or even for a golf cart.
Right.
Yeah.
So, starting right up here, you see that you do actually have a generator already in place for this one. And coming down the side, we're going to have propane right there. Yeah. These doors have not been opened very many times, so as you can tell, this is a brand new one. All of your hookups are going to be here. You are actually going to already have the 3-stage water filter in this one, your inverter, and we'll show you this on the other side.
Man. Tankless water heater.
I was waiting.
Well, I had to shut the door.
Right down here. You are going to have a dump area. Now it is under the slide, so just keep in mind that it is under there. You have access to the back of your fridge, so in case you need to do any service there. Moving on down the side, I see that the Seismic is going to give you a red stripe in here, so hey, that would match our truck.
Yeah, it would.
This is going to give you the Moride CRE 3000 suspension. Now this one is going to have 6-point leveling, and then you do have another dump area back here, and then of course you have your gas fueling station for your toys. We did not set up this back patio, but you know, you are going to have the screens and the fence around it. If you can see in there, you do have an extra set of solid steps for the patio. Also, the ramp. Do we know the awning sizes on this?
Yeah. Let's see. Well, all I've got is 17 feet on one. I didn't know about the other one, so it didn't give me that.
Okay. Well, the smaller one looks to be maybe 10,
11, 12 foot.
Yeah. So you are actually going to have 2 power awnings on your campsite. Oh, almost past it here. You do have the spot right here for your J-port to put your grill, and then your quick connect is going to be there, and your spare is underneath. Okay, let's see what we have behind this door.
All right.
Ah, big blank area. No, this is a great space for a TV, and then you do have a mini fridge out here.
I like it.
I like that they put your speakers down low. And again, these doors have not been opened, so they are still a little bit stiff. And then this is going to be the other side of your pass-through storage. This is a toy hauler, so your pass-through is going to be a little bit smaller, but then you've got an 11-foot garage back there and the other propane tank. Let's go on inside. So let's go ahead and start in the garage. Like we had pointed out, this is an 11-foot garage in here. You do have some storage up here in both of these front corners. And then you do have a spot here for a TV. Now you're also going to be prepped for a camera if you want to add a camera in here so you can keep an eye on your cargo.
All right.
You do have a half bath in here. And they do also give you a towel ring, and this is a porcelain foot flush toilet in there.
There you go. Storage under there.
Always nice to have an extra bathroom. Now, you are going to have an AC unit back here. You do have the Happy Jack system in here. I don't know if you want to pull that down or not, but the bottom two.
I'm not gonna mess with it.
Yeah, we just don't like to.
I'm not messing with it.
We just don't like to move these.
I don't want to pay for it.
But yeah, the bottom two, of course, are going to make a bed or two seating areas, and then you do actually have a bed at the top. It should be about a queen size bed.
All I can say, if you're interested in this, go find one and they will demonstrate it.
Yes, definitely check it out at the dealership, because it's always easier to get your own hands on it than it is to watch. Now this is going to have the sliding doors back here, and you've got looks like, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 tie downs back here.
It's like 9.
9. Oh yes, I missed one. Alright.
Well.
And it is prepped for a washer and dryer back here. Now, moving into your living area.
Let me go and get these.
Yeah.
Right here by the door.
So they give you these really nice drawers right when you come in the door.
And the
a couple of bar stools. So this is kind of a new layout. I haven't quite seen this anywhere else. But then you also have an open area down there to stash your shoes. Also on the other side of the door, your controls are going to be up there. And these are a little bit narrow, but hey, they do give you some storage right there.
I like that.
Yeah. You've got very tall storage up there. Again, it's not very deep, but I don't know what you would put up there. Somebody tell us what you would put up there. I guess we would put our DVDs that we don't watch very much. And then you've got more on this side.
Wow.
Yeah, these are actually a little bit deeper down here. And you see Jayco is going to do their heating in the cabinetry and not in the floor. Now this looks like that is not a 50-inch TV. What is that? 40? Is it a 50? No.
40.
40. Okay, I was about to say, I knew it didn't look like a 50. And I'm just standing here in front of it like a goober. And below that is going to be your radio, and you do have an electric fireplace for those cooler mornings. Turning around. This is my one complaint with toy haulers, is a lot of times they don't have a whole lot of seating area. But the seating area that they give you is very nice. This is a very nice theater seating. I wish you could see this. This is not that pleather stuff. It's actually cloth. So it's going to recline. I don't know if all 3 sections recline.
I don't know.
I'm going to say yes. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. No, maybe only N2.
I think it's just the N2 there.
The N2.
Yeah, because there's one.
Yeah. Does it fold down? No?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. There we go.
Ah, there we go.
Ooh, yeah, that makes a giant armrest there.
I like that.
And then, of course, Jayco doing Jayco things. They give you these little extra tables that will just pop up if you don't want them. All right. So let's finish out this slide over here. You're going to have like a little narrow pantry area that actually goes the whole length, except for the bottom one, of the fridge.
And speaking of the fridge,
Yes.
hey!
Oh, yep, we got styrofoam flying everywhere. We may have been the first ones to open that.
This. Yeah.
Yeah, French door on the top, and then you've got 2 drawers down here on the bottom.
Yes.
Okay, and then we'll turn around. Getting into the kitchen area. Now this bar area here, now these are not solid surface countertops in here, but they look very nice. Nice big drawer right up there. Right down there, sorry. And you got all these cabinetries up around your sink area. Your sink is going to be a large single basin sink with all the fancy stuff. The dishwasher, glass washer, soap dispenser, and pull-down faucet. Plenty of space underneath to have a garbage can.
Wow.
Good storage around your microwave, and that's a big old
Huge.
microwave. It's a really nice microwave, and then they give you the nicer 3-burner cooktop with an oven, and it does have a matching drawer down below it.
Yes.
Of course, now if you don't want to put your garbage can under the sink, you do have a little space right here, but then they also give you this extension that you can pull out. So
Yeah.
have a little extra prep space. All right,
I
let's
like
see.
this.
Yeah, now they give you a little space under the steps, so you could slide your shoes under there if you need to. Something that we noticed, these steps are a little more narrow than what you normally have in a fifth wheel, so if that's a concern, you might want to look at that. The shower. Wow.
Oh my gosh. Let me get the tape measure out here. Yeah, 30 by 48.
Yeah, nice size shower.
Wow.
And there is, I mean, just step over and it's going to be flush with the floor. So, yeah, nice big shower. Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a little bit of a skylight up there. So, yeah,
You know,
great
it's-
headroom.
You know, as many times you've said that I'm 6 foot tall, I think everybody in America knows that.
Well, there could be somebody watching for the first time and they
Well.
don't know. All right, over here you are going to have a backlit mirror on your medicine cabinet. A nice size stainless sink. You do have a power outlet down there. And then there is some good storage underneath. And again, your heating is in the cabinetry, not in the floor. Porcelain foot flush toilet.
All right.
Lots of leg room around it.
Hey!
Oh, what do you know? The ever famous golden plunger, because yes, you do have a linen closet right there. And in case you need to know, your tissue holder is already mounted and you got a space under there for a little wastebasket.
I like it.
Yeah, so hooks up here. Yeah, definitely wins the award. Now, this bathroom obviously has 2 entries, so he's going to go into the bedroom that way. I'm going to come through the hall. Now, this is going to have a north-south bed on it, so there is not a bed slide in here. But Jayco did not cram their bed all the way up against the wall like
No.
so many toy haulers do.
Yep.
I mean, it's not, you're not going to dance a jig over there, but you got room to get around. So you got storage up there, nice little nightstand area with some power. You're going to have a light with a light switch under there. Nice padded headboard, and then you're going to have another, another storage area right up here. And you've got charging center over here, and another light switch that's, oh, that one turns on up here. Ah, yeah. And then you've got actual storage under this nightstand. Let me back up. Show
Wow.
that you do have storage under there. And oh look, there's your microwave turntable in case you didn't know where it was.
You know what? I'm going to do them a favor and set that down.
Yeah, let's not leave it sitting up there like that.
Yeah, I didn't like that.
Okay, and I know you're thinking, well, where am I going to hang my clothes? Over here. You got 2 huge mirrored
Wow.
doors. And hanging all the way across up here. And then you've got 2 very nice sized drawers down
Wow.
here. So yes, this is going to give you a wardrobe slide.
Whew.
And I did not point out the second AC, but this is going to be your 3rd AC. So this
Yeah.
unit actually has 3 AC units in it. And before we leave the bedroom, I know everybody wants to know where we're going to put our TV. So it'll go right up there in that corner.
Whew.
All right. So guys, tell us what you think of this Jayco Seismic.
Yeah, and this is a 2026, so Yeah, we're going to try to probably do some more 25s, but as soon as they get the 26s in, we're going to start recording them. So, all right, everybody, if you like this toy hauler, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.